Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to remove stories from your Instagram highlights using a PC, especially after the latest update. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to Instagram.com. Once the page loads, log into your account if you haven't already. This is where all the magic begins. Next, look for your profile photo located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on it to access your profile. This is where you can see all your posts and highlights. Under your bio, you will find your highlights displayed prominently. Click on the highlight that contains the stories you want to remove. This will take you into that specific highlight. At the top of the highlight, you'll see 3 dots. Click on these dots to open a menu with several options. From here, choose Edit. After selecting this option, click Next to proceed. Now it's time to manage your stories. You'll be directed to a section labeled Stories, where all the stories included in that highlight are displayed. Here, you can easily unselect any stories you wish to remove from the highlight. Just click on the circle next to each story to uncheck it. Once you've made your selections and unselected the stories you want to remove, confirm this action by clicking on the appropriate button. This step is crucial as it ensures that your changes are saved. And that's it. You've successfully removed unwanted stories from your Instagram highlight using your PC. Keeping your highlights fresh and relevant is essential for maintaining an engaging profile. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and happy Instagramming!